Zhengzhou, PZ Laser Slim Technology Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of diode laser hair removal machine, M-sculpting high-fine machine, laser lipo machine. We are located in Zhengzhou with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained Medical CE ISO 13485 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Western Europe, and other countries. We also welcome distributors' orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service about your sourcing requirements. We always implement the concept of creating value for customers, tailor-made products for customers, meet their different needs, and continue to provide customers with solutions. All products meet foreign quality standards and are well received in different markets around the world. We also welcome OEM/ODM orders to meet customer needs with excellent quality and service. Quality First presents the pursuit of continuous improvement and development.